So this time we're changing the radio on the 05 Mazda 6. We gotta remove the center console and take care of all the electrical wire. So alright, we remove the cup holder, the shifter, the vessel, and then there's 2 screws here at the bottom. Remove the radio. Okay, so remove the radio. Now we gotta remove the connectors. We keep going. Okay, so we removed the radio. There it is. And now we gotta transfer all them guts, all the parts that go to the new kit. We're gonna use Metra Mazda 6 radio kit to install. Alright, we're gonna use the Pioneer double DVD player. Alright, that's the end of it. We installed a Pioneer radio in X47 BS. DVD player, radio, Pandora, and a bunch of stuff. We put everything back. There it goes. Mazda 6 2005. Oh, by the way, when you install the radio, my Mazda 6 comes up on the screen. Metra car kit, Pioneer radio. Bye bye.